Your goals for hypnotherapy are also my goals for you for hypnotherapy. What you want is what we work towards. And so don't worry. I can't make you quack like a duck if you didn't want to, and I don't really want to. Your mind is yours. You get to make the decisions really in what suggestions you're going to accept or which ones your mind is going to reject. And for that reason, when you come into hypnotherapy, we'll sit down together to think about the wording that's just right for you. You'll actually help to pick those words of the suggestions that you'll be hearing when you are in a state of hypnosis. When you know what those statements are going to be and you've helped formulate them, your mind is more likely to accept them, and then you have better success.